A world of adventure and excitement awaits you at the Letterman Chicago student home, where Lake Michigan reflects the stunning skylines. Nestled amidst the captivating West Loop neighborhood, the Letterman offers a range of fully furnished, air-conditioned, shared, and private apartments tailored to your preferences. Each apartment offers a range of modern amenities along with thoughtfully designed study areas, comfortable bed, spacious storage, and complimentary internet access, making it ideal for both young professionals and students alike. Experience the complete study-life balance with vibrant study lounges on every floor, a state-of-the-art fitness studio, lively clubhouse, and a modern business center. Letterman Chicago also has a 24/7 on-site management team, sleek laundry facility, and secured premises to ensure your stay is secure and hassle-free. Step outside the property's front door and you'll find yourself in a dynamic neighborhood, brimming with cozy cafes, delectable dining, shopping centers, and convenient transportation links. And for students, the Letterman is perfectly located, just moments away from the prestigious University of Chicago and Rush University. Everything you've been searching for in your new home is right here. Head over at amberstudent.com to make the Letterman Chicago your reality today.